Well, hi guys, well welcome back to the channel. Well, we've got a bit of a crazy day for you. We knew the weather was inbound, but we maybe didn't anticipate quite what the weather was going to throw at us. Love to know your thoughts. Leave us a comment. Well, morning guys. Yeah, wet morning. It started raining yesterday afternoon and hasn't really stopped. We were joined yesterday by Jürgen in his little truck out there. So German guy, travelled by himself. So yeah, we had a good chat with him. And yeah, I don't know if you can really see the weather this morning, but it's not brilliant. So I think we're going to head on today. Now I think we're actually going to go into a little campsite for a day or two. We've still got another couple of days of this weather. So I think we're going to go and haul up somewhere.
Somewhere with Wi-Fi.
Yeah, the signal here. So we come here thinking, right, let's just check the signal. And initially it was okay, and then by sort of mid-afternoon it just sort of died to death.
It seems to be the case a lot. The signal's strong in the morning, and then by mid-afternoon it's dying off, and then by the evening, if you want to watch television, you're buffering, and yeah.
Yeah, we sort of had this almost every day, haven't we?
We have.
Unless you're in a sort of build-up area or... Yeah, anyway, or something. Right now it's all about breakfast. It's all about the first cup of tea of the morning. Can't even get my words out. Well, it's a bit shitty this morning. It's really soft. Yeah, I think we'll probably need to stick it in the four-wheel drive this morning. But I'm just going to go and say goodbye to Jürgen. Ah, Jürgen, hello. You alright? Jürgen, thank you. Take care. Bye. God. Oh my God, it's incredibly soft and stinky out there today.
Disgusting.
Right, let's get on our way. He's a nice guy.
Is he stopping for a few days?
Yeah, he's just going to stop. He's going to see out the weather, I think.
Yeah.
It's absolutely fine. Oh, it is?
Yeah. Yeah, we're sideways again.
We're not sideways.
We spend a lot of time being sideways.
Oh wow, it's slippy. We're slipping to the side.
Oh.
You feel that?
No, I'm glad I didn't feel that.
It's alright.
Squealing if I did feel that.
No, okay, hold on a minute. No problem. The mighty man. Easy. Right. Well, that was a great little spot. Okay, we're steaming up.
It was.
My wet jacket isn't helping.
Oh yeah. Do you know, I really wish the sun had shone here, because we could have stayed here.
No, it's so good. But it's...
You need to get your wipers sorted.
I know. So one of the things the rain does is really accentuate the tracks. You can really see those defined tracks. So we've just jumped on a really good little track here, but it's fine. I mean, the whole place really is so permeable, so although there's a bit of sludge on top, it's fine.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had a fall, just like a
back on tarmac.
On the road again.
Okay, enough childish behaviour. Windows up. Oh, what a morning. So we're going to take a little drive down towards Zagora. We're going to stop just short actually, and I think we're going to go, well, we've identified a little campsite which I think for about 7 or 8 quid we'll go and sit there, use the hot showers and just have a little chill really. Well, there's a whole lot of nothingness out there today. So this is our 5th time in Morocco and we've never seen it so wet. The ground is just totally saturated and there's like rivers coming down the side of the hillside, and yeah, it's wet.
Well, it looks like the road is flooded. Not surprised with the volume of water. We might be a
Yeah.
before it becomes too difficult. Straight across the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. Hope it's alright. Can you feel it?
No, you can't feel it in this at all. It's absolutely fine. It's quite deep though.
It is. Those cars did well to get through. I can understand why they're feeling a bit nervous. I'm feeling a bit nervous. Okay. Well done, Tonka.
Yeah, it's a hell of a flow.
I mean, I suppose if the worst came to the worst and we got stranded and we couldn't go forwards or back, we should be fine.
We'll be fine, yeah.
We've got gin.
We've got plenty of wine.
We've got, chicken out for dinner. We'll be fine.
Chicken biryani, right? That's all that matters.
Weather is not going to stop. Oh, there's more.
Well, it's a heck of a day today.
Ready to go?
Yeah. God, what a day we've had of it today. This is just incredible.
Oh, there's quite a flow there. Look at that.
There is. There's rocks and debris as well. I mean, the weather today is incredible. Well, I think it's come down off the mountains, but I mean, look, this, every turn, this is what we've got. I mean,
That is quite fast.
yeah, it's alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
flow on there. Yeah.
Go from
Well, I think we hit a few rocks there actually.
I think we did.
There's a bit of debris coming down with the river. I don't know if you can see it, but you sort of feel it in the cab, sort of driving over quite big rocks. So I think if ever there was a day that we were pleased that we had a four-wheel drive vehicle, this is it. Oh wow, look at that over there. God, the flow on that is crazy.
Yeah.
Don't know if you can see it, but wow. Wow. Right, yet again, we have another. I've lost count now. Yep. Well, it's a hell of a flow on there.
What do you think, Phil?
Yeah, that'll be fine. Bloody hell. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine with that.
Okay.
Right. Let's go. Yeah, this is a bit hairy.
I like this. You go a bit faster.
We're okay. Yeah, there's a big flow on there. Yeah.
That was I don't want to do another one of those, please.
Right.
That was enough.
Do you know what? I'll put it in as a precaution, but I think we're good. That's the army there.
Bonjour. Do you speak English? Is the road okay this way? Where are we going, Phil?
Zagora.
Zagora? No? Okay.
No.
We can just keep going. Hope. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Do we stop here? There's a town here.
No. Oh, there's a place.
Yeah. Well, nobody's getting through there. We should probably not have done that.
Why?
My heart is racing.
Well, there's the place there.
Very much.
What do you mean? That was amazing. That's what it's about.
Yeah, until you get washed away.
Oh, it was good fun. So, right. Oh, the funny thing is, the rain's actually eased off a little bit.
It has. But you know, the police are probably going to put roadblocks up and close the road because
Yeah.
they won't want people attempting
No,
that.
I mean, you really,
On
you
a
know,
normal car, you would get washed away.
you really don't want to attempt that in a car. I mean, there was big rocks. I don't know if you
I
sort
could
of see
feel
it.
us. We were being pulled slightly.
Yeah, I could feel it. The previous time is fine, but I could feel the pull. I'd put it into four-wheel drive, low ratio, and sort of, you know, just as a sort of a extra precaution. We didn't need that. All we needed was some ground clearance, but I could feel it pushing the truck. Well, the rain's causing absolute chaos today. I mean, we're driving through these little villages. There's people trying to dig out main clearing for the water to go. In fact, just ahead of us now, there's traffic stopped again. I'll just spin the camera around. This really is what it's been like today. A little girl waving on me. Look. Yeah. police are actually stopping people there. I'll just pull in. See if I mean, look, that's easy. We can do that. I'll go and speak to them. Yeah.
Yeah. Does he say the road to Zagora is open, or did you ask?
They don't know. They don't know. But he's happy to let us pass.
Okay. It's not as bad as the other one. Nowhere near as bad.
They just sent going slow. Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, that's all right. It's easy.
Yeah, shouldn't be complacent about it though.
No, it's
Do you want to
debris and
stop and
rocks.
speak to these Benimar people?
Yeah, I think we probably
Just to
should.
say you won't
Yeah.
get through. Oh, hang on, what are they?
Swiss, I think. Maybe stop filming.
Yeah. Hello, do you speak English? Yeah, it's even worse on the other side of the town.
It's worse.
Yeah, we came through, but it was, we would, good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Oh, they were nice people.
They were, perhaps we should stop at this campsite, Phil. But if there's nothing like this for 10 kilometres, I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm happy just to keep going. I'm happy just to...
I don't want to do another big one like that. The one the other side we did. I didn't like that.
Okay. Let's see how we get on.
Yeah.
Well, it's obviously a novelty for local people. There's lots of kids about, well, lots of grown-ups as well. People have a look at the rivers, and obviously it doesn't happen very often. So, well, there's a flow on today.
At least we don't have to drive through this
I
one.
think it's been over there though.
Yeah, I think it has. Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Let's hope the bridge is strong enough for us so we don't collapse into it.
anyway,
Yeah, it's tame really.
let's go. There's sort of backwash there.
Yeah. Well look, it's almost coming over here.
Yeah.
Well, it is, but
Well, I think if there was ever a reason not to park on a dry riverbed, this is it. So it's a 6k drive down this little road, but we don't know if it becomes a track. I'm just looking ahead. It's not looking too promising actually.
no.
I think that's the river going through it.
Yeah.
That's the river going through it.
Oh.
Bloody
Yeah,
hell.
we can't get over that road. We can't
No.
get over that.
Bloody hell.
Topper's good, but she's not that good.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, so we're not getting across here. I mean, this bit's fine, but beyond is just a raging, crazy river. Which is a shame because it looks such a lovely campsite, but you can't see beyond, but I mean, that's just crazy there. Yeah, I'm all for a bit of adventure, but I think the risk there is just too great. I know Izzy isn't happy, are you?
No, I want us to just reverse if you don't mind.
Okay, let's reverse and go back to the drawing board. Right, we're going to stop, get some fuel, get some lunch. It's gone 2 o'clock. It's taken a lot longer today than we anticipated. If there's anyone here. Right, we've pulled in for lunch. For special reserves, special occasions, we have a couple of cans of Heinz tomato soup. And it's like one of those days. It's wet, it's cold, and it's just perfect.
It is.
Got a cup of tea on the go, and we're sitting in a garage forecourt, which is fine actually. There's like 0 traffic on past because most of the roads are closed. Yeah, this is so good. We just put a bit of diesel in, and I said to the guy, "Do you mind if I stop here?" He said, "Yeah, no problem." So he just said, "Hey, stop in that workshop, that bay over there." So he's just gone for his lunch. He said, "Yeah, just wherever you want to park, no problem." Didn't want any money, so I gave him about £5. And I said, if you can believe it, he said, "Do you need anything else?" I said, "You know, I'll take a little bit of electric because we're going to be inside in the shelter." I said, "We've got electric?" He said, "Oh yeah, no problem." So I think it'll do really. The weather's grim. The roads, most of the roads here are now closed. He was just telling me, "You're not going to go anywhere today." And in fairness, we've been sat here now for, we had lunch for about 45 minutes. Haven't seen another car. So yeah, I just get myself into this this garage. There is a pit, so I am going to be careful. Right, we're in. We're well in. So I just need enough room really just to get the step out. Well, the things you do sometimes. This is a first for us. But actually the weather's so hideous. It's working out really well actually. And it's quiet. So I'm sure we'll probably get a really good night's sleep here. All I can say is we're really pleased to be tucked into this garage. It doesn't look pretty, I accept that. But honestly, it has not stopped raining today.
It just hasn't.
And honestly, you look outside, I mean, it's literally bouncing off the roof.
Yeah.
It has been really, really vile all day, and we're just...
But there's a couple of things as well. We haven't slept very well because of the rain at night. Though we have earplugs, it still does disturb you. Secondly, batteries, they're getting a bit low, and we just wanted to top them up a bit.
It's been grey and horrible, and has
thirdly,
rained.
I don't want to park out there because you don't know where the water's going to go.
What?
We saw that today, but you can't predict, and I don't want to be washed away. So I'm really happy in here. I'm going to start making my Friday night curry in a minute. I've had a gin and tonic. There might even be a second gin and tonic in the offing.
We're not going to get washed away.
No, but I worry about it. Do you remember where was that canal we were at? I thought we were going to...
I sleep really well.
Where I thought we were going to fall into it.
Oh my God.
In Greece.
Corinth Canal.
That's right. I thought that they had all these landslides and it was really raining, and I thought we might like drop into the canal with all the soil.
That was never going to happen.
Yeah.
I think it's time for another gin and tonic.
I think you're right.
Okay.
And I'm going to cook dinner.
Yeah, get some music on and have a little chill.
Friday night's curry night.